Take a look at the oven in a typical kitchen. Right on the front is a window made of glass. It might seem like a small design choice, but it actually solves a very important problem for anyone who cooks. Without that window, baking a cake or roasting a chicken would involve a lot more guessing and a lot more heat escaping. Today we are exploring a simple question with a surprisingly interesting history. Why are oven doors made out of glass? Let's open that door and take a closer look right here on History of Simple Things. To understand the glass window, imagine cooking without it. In the early days of ovens, many doors were solid metal. If you wanted to check your food, you had to open the door. Every time that happened, a large amount of heat escaped. The temperature inside the oven could drop quickly, which made baking harder and less predictable. Cakes could sink, bread might not rise properly, and roasts could take longer to cook. A simple window solved this problem by letting cooks see inside while keeping the heat trapped. This small change saved energy and improved results for everyday cooking. It also reduced the temptation to open the door again and again during baking, which protected the steady heat inside. Oven glass is not the same as the glass used in a drinking cup. It must survive very high temperatures and sudden changes in heat. For this reason, manufacturers use special materials such as tempered glass or heat-resistant ceramic glass. Tempered glass is strengthened through a heating and cooling process that makes it several times stronger than normal glass. Ceramic glass can handle even higher temperatures and expands very little when heated, which prevents cracking. This durability is essential because ovens often reach temperatures above 200 degrees Celsius. And when the door is opened, the surface can cool quickly without shattering or breaking apart suddenly during normal kitchen use at home every day safely for busy cooks everywhere. The glass window also helps control cooking. Baking depends on stable heat. When the oven stays closed, the hot air circulates evenly around the food. Opening the door releases that heat and interrupts the balance. Through the window, you can watch cookies turn golden, cheese melt on a casserole, or a pie crust slowly brown. This simple view allows cooks to react at the right moment, preventing food from burning or undercooking. For home bakers, this feedback is incredibly useful. They can judge color, texture, and bubbling sauces without disturbing the oven environment. This keeps temperatures steady and helps recipes work the way they were designed to work in real kitchens every single day with consistent results for families everywhere. Another clever detail is that oven windows are usually made from more than one layer of glass. Many ovens use 2 or 3 panes with small spaces between them. These layers act as insulation, similar to the way double-pane windows work in houses. The inner layer faces the hottest air, while the outer layer stays much cooler. This design helps protect people from burns, making the oven safer for families and children who might touch the door. The trapped air between the panes slows the movement of heat, keeping most of the heat inside the oven where it belongs. As a result, the outside surface stays cooler even while food is baking at very high temperatures. The extra layers also make the door stronger and help it close more quietly during everyday cooking. In the early 20th century, manufacturers began experimenting with glass oven windows. Before that time, most ovens were heavy cast iron boxes with thick metal doors. These ovens worked, but they forced cooks to rely on smell, timing, and experience. Restaurants and bakeries wanted better control, so designers searched for ways to see inside. Early glass sometimes cracked, but improvements in materials slowly solved the problem. By the mid-20th century, glass doors became common in household ovens. They offered visibility, safety, and convenience all at once. A small window changed everyday cooking forever for families everywhere. Quiet progress hiding in plain sight for decades. Modern ovens continue to refine this idea. Manufacturers shape the glass, seal it carefully, and design vents that keep air moving between the layers. This airflow prevents moisture from building up and keeps the window clear. A clear window means you can quickly check food without opening the door. Some ovens even add special coatings that make grease easier to wipe away. These upgrades keep the glass useful for many years. The goal stays simple. Let people watch their food while the heat stays where it belongs. A quiet feature doing an important job every single day in kitchens around the world, quietly helping cooks. The glass oven door may look ordinary, but it represents smart engineering. It balances visibility, strength, insulation, and safety in one simple panel. Without it, cooks would waste energy and struggle to judge their meals. With it, baking becomes easier, more accurate, and more enjoyable. This small piece of glass quietly supports millions of dinners, cakes, and cookies. Next time you cook, take a moment to notice that little window. It is doing more work than you might expect. A simple invention helping kitchens run smoothly. And that is the story behind the glass oven door. A clear view into cooking history every single day. Simple objects often hide thoughtful design. The glass oven door is a reminder that small improvements can change daily life. By letting us see inside a hot oven while keeping the heat contained, this window saves energy, protects our food, and makes cooking more reliable. Sometimes progress is not loud or dramatic. Sometimes it is just a clear pane of glass doing its job quietly in kitchens around the world. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.